Hi there, I'm DEXes, author of TradingView Alert Connector. This is a tutorial video and I'm going to explain what this tool is and how to run the tool for Perpetual protocol. This tool is a free and self-hosted non-custodial tool for you to integrate TradingView alerts and execute automated trading for Perpetual protocol. So this means that you can easily build and run a trading bot empowered by TradingView powerful alerting functions. I assume most listeners already know Perpetual Protocol and TradingView itself, so I don't explain them in detail in this video. But Perpetual Protocol is a perpetual futures DEX on optimism, and TradingView is a trading analysis software that is very popular among traders. And I'm gonna explain TradingView strategy a little bit here, because I assume some of you are not familiar with it. So TradingView strategy is a function we can create and simulate backtesting and forward testing trading strategy easily on TradingView platform. So TradingView also provides basic built-in strategies, for example MACD strategy and RSI strategy, which we can try out of the box. So if we go to indicators and technicals and strategies, we can find built-in strategies like this. So let's say I picked up super trend strategy. Then we can see buy and sell alerts here in historical result. Also performance summary like net profit, profit factor, max drawdown, average trade, and so on. And we can apply this strategy to different time interval. And also we can apply them to different market like this. In addition, lots of other traders are sharing their strategies in the TradingView community, which we can try easily. So this strategy script written in so-called Pine script. So anyone can share their strategy idea in the community and we can copy and try their strategy, and you can build your own custom strategy by yourself if you want and if you write a Pine script. So this tool captures these buy-sell hours and execute orders to Perpetual protocol automatically. Actually, I have been using this TradingView strategy function for around 4 years, and this is a very powerful and flexible tool that helps my trade. In addition, this tool can execute orders from non-strategy alerts too. Let's say you've drawn a trend line on chart on TradingView and you want to execute order when the close price of a certain time interval cross under this trend line. In this case, you can set an alert on trend line you've drawn, and this tool can catch alerts when the alert is triggered and execute an order to Perpetual protocol. To run this tool, there are three requirements. The first one is computing machine, which can be a cloud service or a local PC to host the tool that has a stable internet connection. And the second one is TradingView account, at least the Pro plan. This one, because this tool utilizes webhook notification to send alerts from TradingView. So basic plan is not enough to run this tool. And lastly, your wallet account with collateral already in place in Perpetual protocol. I strongly recommend creating and using an exclusive different account for running your trading bot, not only to enhance your security but also to track your trading performance easily. So of course this tool does not guarantee your future profit, and you have to use this tool as your responsibility. So let's get started setting up the tool. In this guide we host on render.com, which is not expensive and friendly for non-developers. With render.com we can set up our web server without touching terminal and editor. So go to render.com, and after you have done registration, you can see this page. So click new web service, and then go to public git repository block and copy and paste this GitHub URL and click continue. Then input a unique name for your web service here. So let's say I name Ibuki connector and leave the other part as it is. And after adding your payment information, select this starter plan here, and then click advanced button and click add secret file here, and input .emb as file name. And for file contents, please copy and paste this template. And here I set it up only for Perpetual protocol, so skip DYDX part. And all you need to do is exporting your account's private key from your wallet, for example MetaMask, and paste it here. And this TradingView passphrase, this variable is optional, but I recommended setting it to enhance your security. So this must be your unique passphrase. So I said like ibuki1234. Of course this is not a real one, and it's only for testing purpose. And this Sentry DNS is also optional, and we don't set them in this video. But this tool integrates Sentry.io for monitoring. So if you are interested in, please follow this guide. So after filling this variable, please click save button and go to and click add disk. So we need disk feature to store strategy data as a JSON file and export order history as CSV file. So input whatever name you want here, and mount path should be this one, /app/data. So copy and paste here, and for size 1 GB is enough. Then at auto deploy field, if we set it to yes, render.com automatically deploys changes to your service when a new code is uploaded to the GitHub repository. So I recommend setting this to no, because it's safer and we can also deploy manually. Then click create web service. Then render.com start deployment, so wait until it's done. In addition, I highly recommend setting up two-factor authentication on render.com to enhance your security. The next step is testing if you can receive alerts from TradingView and execute order to Perpetual protocol. To test alert on the TradingView website, select BTC Perp or Binance or whatever ticker you want, and set time interval to 1 minute. Then open Pine Editor tab and delete original message here and copy this template script and paste here and click Add to Chart button. So this script triggers buy and sell alerts alternately every 1 minute. So I click this alert icon button here and add message port, delete original one, and copy and paste this template message and replace this passphrase. So in my case, it's ibuki 1, 2, 3, 4, and add notification tab. Please check on this webhook URL and copy and paste your endpoint URL generated by render.com. Oh, yeah, and then click create button. So please just wait until the next alert is triggered. Now we can see long and short orders are executed on Perpetual protocol successfully. So just stop the test alert from here. Okay, so we have tested a strategy alert previously, so we're gonna set a real alert of real strategy. And this video is an example. We're gonna run Bollinger Band strategy for Ether and set time interval to 1 hour. Unfortunately, Perpetual Protocol's price chart is not available on TradingView now, so choose the Perpetual Futures market of other exchange that has enough liquidity. In this video, I use Binance Ether Perpetual Futures. Alert message you set on TradingView must be JSON format in the same format as exact as this. So I have built this front-end tool so that you can create correct alert message easily and with no mistake. So please select Perpetual Protocol as exchange and input your strategy name. So this can be whatever name you want, and market as Ether and input order size. So in my case I set 5. Then this is reverse order strategy is a bit complicated but an important parameter. Check on if this strategy takes opposite position on each trade and always has a long or short position. For example, this Bollinger Band strategy is a reverse order strategy because on each trade, this strategy not only closes the current position but also at the same time takes the opposite position. That means this strategy always has a long or short position. So in this case, we have to check on here. And lastly, this passphrase is optional. If we set this, it must be matched to TradingView passphrase value of the environment variable of your server. So in my case, it's ibuki1234 and click generate button. So we can see generated JSON here. So click this copy to clipboard button. Then go to a TradingView page and click this alert icon and replace message here and go to notification tab and check on webhook URL, and my endpoint URL is again this one. and paste here and click create button. That's it. Now we have done all setup to run trading bot for Perpetual protocol. Again, this still does not guarantee your future profit, and you have to use it with your responsibility. But TradingView strategy and alert function are really powerful, and your possibility is endless. I believe this tool can help your daily trading. If you have any questions or need any help, please DM me on Discord or Twitter. Thanks.